We will guide you through how to make slow motion video in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Camtasia is already installed on your device and ready to use. Double-click Camtasia to open the program on your computer and wait until it finishes loading completely. Click the New Project button to create a new editing project before continuing. Next, click the Media Bin menu on the top toolbar first to access your project files. Then, click the Import Media button to add your video into the project. Select the video file that you want to slow down for this demonstration. Click the Open button to continue importing the selected video file. After the video is imported, it will appear in the Media Bin and become available for editing. Drag and drop the video onto the track section to begin the editing process. Click the play button to preview the video before applying the slow motion effect to your footage. You can see that the original video duration is only 5 seconds before any changes are made. Move the timeline to the beginning of the video before continuing with the next step. Then, go to the left panel and open the Visual Effects menu to continue editing. Find the clip speed effect from the available effects list displayed in the panel. Drag and drop the effect onto the video on the track to apply it. Then, select the clip speed effect below the video clip on the timeline to adjust its speed settings. The clip speed settings panel will appear on the right side of the workspace. Change the speed to 0.5x as an example for this tutorial to create a slow motion effect. The duration will become 10 seconds with 2 frames after the speed adjustment is applied. Click the play button to preview the final result on the preview screen and make sure the slow motion effect plays smoothly.